JDCap26 here, just repairs and hobbies. And I'm going to start putting some of these pieces together. Here's a resin piece. Put some glue along here. It may stick to your paper underneath, so you got to be careful about that. Just goes like that. And get some wax paper so it doesn't stick. And we'll just lift this up and put this together again so it doesn't stick. And we gotta wipe our hands off. Okay. And then we've got this bookcase right here, you can see. So I'm gonna put some glue in here. It doesn't matter where you put the objects, you know, everybody puts them differently. So I'm putting the books right there. And I'm going to put a set of books above it because make room. Sorry about that. Put them in there like that. Then we got some bottles here. I don't know where that other bottle went to. There it is. Sorry guys, I'm in your way. You can vary on the bottles. So put some bottles in there. Put a green one, like right there. It's a red one, actually. Put a green one there. Like that. And up here, we'll put a bottle there and a bottle there. Hope you can see this. I'm looking in the camera right now. We'll put the bottle right there. Like that. So there's the bookcase, and we're just gonna lean that over there for it to dry. I got this. I'm gonna put a little in the middle, and then we have to take his head off. So hopefully we can take his head off. And we did get it. We got the old head off for the new head. Where did I put the new head? It's over here. Take them off the cardboard. For the new head, since it's permanent, I'm trying to get the goop off here in the bottom. I glued it to the base. It doesn't matter, but just take that off. We're gonna put the new head in there like that. I think we could glue it. Wow, that's looking pretty cool, huh? You know, hats off to Escape Hatch Hobbies. I'm gonna put some glue on there. And put some glue right in there. And stick the head on. And this seems a little loose, so we're going to put a dab of glue on his shoulder. Okay. There's the old head. I don't know what... I'm going to do something with the old head. You know me. So put him down here. Excuse me. Just had my breakfast. Put him down here like that or something like that. Next... we got to figure out how this goes. So it's going to go across like that. So we got to put a lot of glue on the bottom of this. I think we're safe to turn it upside down. That's good. And we're going to put it across like that. This is going to be a very weighty model once you get done with it. So, I mean, when you pick it up, you got to make sure that, you know, it's really glued. That's why I'm doing the seams here with more glue. And this bookcase going across will also serve as a connection point. I think the head, it's his old head. I think we can put his head down there. So put a little glue on the back of his head. Put it like right, like he lost his head first, and the old one, and then the new one. I may paint this old head like, you know, he's like normal. So put fresh colors back in, and then there's the new head of him drinking the poison. It's not actually the poison, it's the transformation fluid that makes him into, you know, Mr. Hyde, which is pretty cool. It's a cool story. And I recommend watching the old movie to this. I forget who the actor played Mr. Hyde, but you can look it up. Also, watch the Jerry Lewis one. That's a funny one. You'll like that one. The Jerry Lewis one did. Jerry Lewis did a Mr. Hyde one too. So that's the build for today. It's a short build. And I thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.